In today's digital age, the potential to earn money online has skyrocketed, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this revolution. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage AI tools and technologies to generate a steady income stream, aiming for an impressive $250 a day with minimal effort. We'll dive into various AI-driven platforms that simplify tasks, automate processes, and enhance productivity, making it easier than ever to tap into online income opportunities. From content creation to data analysis, the possibilities are endless. Throughout this video, we'll provide you with actionable tips and strategies that can help you get started on your journey to financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a complete beginner, there's something here for everyone. So, if you're ready to discover how AI can transform your earning potential and make money online effortlessly, stay tuned. You won't want to miss the insights we have in store for you. Let's unlock the secrets to earning $250 a day using the power of artificial intelligence. Step 1. Identify the best AI tools for beginners to kickstart your journey in making money online with AI. It's essential to identify the best tools available. Popular options like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai have gained traction for their user-friendly interfaces and powerful capabilities. ChatGPT excels in generating human-like text, making it perfect for content creation and customer interaction. Jasper, on the other hand, specializes in marketing copy, helping you craft compelling ads and social media posts effortlessly. Copy.ai is another fantastic tool that automates writing tasks, allowing you to produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time. These AI tools can significantly streamline your workflow, enabling you to focus on strategy rather than getting bogged down by repetitive tasks. By automating content generation, you can save hours each week, freeing up time to explore new income opportunities. To access these tools, simply visit their official websites, ChatGPT at OpenAI.com, Jasper at jasper.ai, and Copy.ai at Copy.ai. Each platform offers free trials or affordable plans, making it easy for beginners to dive in and start earning online. Step 2. Explore passive income opportunities with AI. Once you've identified the right AI tools, it's time to explore passive income opportunities that can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Two popular options are affiliate marketing and print-on-demand services. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services through your unique links. With AI tools, you can create engaging content that drives traffic to your affiliate offers, increasing your chances of sales. Print-on-demand services enable you to design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. AI can assist in generating unique design ideas and marketing copy, making it easier to attract customers. For instance, using tools like ChatGPT, you can craft compelling product descriptions that resonate with your target audience. Successful passive income strategies include creating a niche blog that features affiliate links or launching an online store with print-on-demand products. Many entrepreneurs have turned their passions into profitable ventures by leveraging AI for content creation and marketing. By combining these strategies with the power of AI, you can build a sustainable income stream that works for you, even while you sleep. Step 3. Set up an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for maximizing your earning potential with AI. Start by creating a website or blog using user-friendly platforms like WordPress. This allows you to showcase your content, promote affiliate products, or sell print-on-demand items. WordPress offers customizable templates and plugins that make it easy to design a professional-looking site, even if you have no coding experience. In addition to your website, leveraging social media is essential for marketing your brand and driving traffic. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can help you connect with your audience, share valuable content, and promote your offerings. Regularly posting engaging content and interacting with followers can significantly enhance your visibility. To optimize your online profiles for maximum exposure, ensure that your website and social media accounts are consistent in branding and messaging. Use relevant keywords in your bios and descriptions to improve searchability. Additionally, consider using high-quality images and compelling calls to action to attract and retain visitors. By establishing a solid online presence, you'll create a foundation for your passive income strategies to thrive. Step 4. Utilize AI for content creation. Harnessing the power of AI for content creation can significantly enhance your online presence and engagement. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can help you generate high-quality blog posts and social media content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Simply input your topic or keywords, and these AI tools will provide you with well-structured articles or catchy social media posts that resonate with your audience. While it may be tempting to focus on producing a high volume of content, remember that quality always trumps quantity. High-quality content not only attracts more readers but also encourages shares and interactions, boosting your visibility. Aim for informative, engaging, and well-researched pieces that provide real value to your audience. Content types that perform exceptionally well online include how-to guides, listicles, and infographics. These formats are easily digestible and shareable, making them ideal for driving traffic. By utilizing AI to create compelling content, you can save time and ensure that your online platforms remain active and engaging, ultimately leading to increased income opportunities. Step 5. Monetize your online presence. Now that you've established your online presence and created engaging content, it's time to explore monetization methods to turn your efforts into income. There are several effective strategies, including displaying ads on your website, securing sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. Each method offers unique opportunities to generate revenue. For instance, you can join networks like Google AdSense to earn money through clicks and impressions. Sponsorships can come from brands looking to promote their products to your audience, providing a lucrative income stream. Additionally, consider selling digital products, such as e-books or online courses, which can provide passive income. AI can play a crucial role in tracking your performance and optimizing revenue. Tools like Google Analytics can help you monitor website traffic and user behavior, allowing you to identify which content performs best. This data can guide your monetization strategies, ensuring you focus on the most profitable avenues. Successful monetization strategies include creating a niche blog that attracts targeted traffic and partnering with relevant brands for sponsorships. By leveraging AI insights, you can refine your approach and maximize your earning potential. Step 6. Automate and scale your efforts. To truly maximize your online income potential, it's essential to automate and scale your efforts. Automation tools like Zapier and Hootsuite can streamline your workflows, saving you valuable time and energy. Zapier allows you to connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks, such as sharing new blog posts across social media platforms. Hootsuite, on the other hand, enables you to schedule and manage your social media content in one place, ensuring consistent engagement with your audience. Delegating tasks to AI can significantly enhance your efficiency. For example, you can use AI tools to handle customer inquiries, generate reports, or even create content drafts. This delegation frees you up to focus on strategic decisions and creative aspects of your business. Scaling your efforts is crucial for increasing income. As your online presence grows, consider expanding your content offerings, exploring new monetization methods, or even hiring virtual assistants to manage specific tasks. By automating routine processes and scaling your operations, you can create a sustainable income stream that continues to grow, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your hard work without being overwhelmed. As you embark on this journey, remember these key takeaways: leverage AI tools, focus on quality content, and explore various monetization strategies. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Don't forget to check out our related content on the channel or website to further enhance your knowledge and skills in making money online.